All right, we're going to be working on page 33. So what is the volume of the prism? I need to find volume, this time using the base times height formula equals volume. So think about how many are here in this first layer. Well, it's a 3 by 5. So in the first layer, there's 15. But how many layers will there be? Or how tall is it going to be? It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 times 15. Gotta multiply here. Don't forget to regroup. 4 times 1 is 4. But then don't forget to add it in, which is 6. So this prism is 60 cubic units. Now here we're finding area. Remember, area equals length times width only. It's 2 dimensions, it's flat, unlike volume, which has 3 dimensions. So here you would do 3 times 2.5. And I know 3 times 2. But then I have to add the halves. How many halves do I need? I need 3 of them. So 3 times 2 is 6. And then half plus half plus half is 3 halves. Or you can write 3.5 as 1 1/2 because you know that there's a hole in there. And if you do it that way, you would add 6 to the half to make it 7.5. Choose the answer that makes the most sense for you. Was it 6 3/2, or is it 7.5? Now on to number 3. We're also using the base formula here. It's a 3 by 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. So the base is 12, and it's 1, 2, 3 tall. And then we'd multiply to get 36. Insert parentheses to make the equation true. I need to get to 10. I know if I start with multiplication, it's going to get me to a great number, a large number. So I have to think about that. So I'm not going to start with multiplication. I'm going to try, what if I went with 4 minus 2? Well, 4 minus 2 is 2. And then 5 times 2 is 10. So that is the correct way there. I need to get to 25. Ooh, there's a multiplication in here. That could get tricky. So if I start with 7 times 25 and subtract 8, I don't think that will get me anywhere near 25, because 7 times 25 I know has to be almost 200. So I'm going to try 8 minus 7, which is 1, times 25, which is 25. Now here I have 36 divided by 6 minus 5. So if I were to do 36 divided by 6 as my first one, I would get 6 minus 5 equals 1. Well, that doesn't work, so I'm going to erase these parentheses and now try 6 minus 5. Well, I know 6 minus 5 is 1, and 36 divided by 1 equals 36. Now problem 5. What does the area of the base tell you about the number of cubes that fit in the prism? Well, the area of the base tells you about how many numbers fit in one layer. So that's what the area of the base tells you. And for number 3, it tells you that there are 12 cubes in each layer, and there are 3 layers. So put that into written form. You might have to stop and start the video a few times to record that.